Hello, dear students. The following assignment is called Learning Reflection Letter, and this will be our last assignment for the semester. So now that you have completed all this hard work, it is time to reflect on what you have learned. And so this letter is in lieu of a final exam, so we're not going to have a final. This letter will replace that. And the letter should be you're going to write a one-page, single-spaced, formal letter of reflection addressed to me. Your letter should be specific, effectively developed with examples, organized into paragraphs, formal in tone and style, and edited and proofread for grammar and mechanics. You can use your learning blocks you've completed throughout the semester to add to your letters. You can review that information. All right, so here's what you're going to do for this final assignment. You're going to write a letter of reflection looking back at your learning this semester. You may follow the learning reflection letter template if you'd like to do so. And here is that template. So this is all set up for you with directions on what to do for each paragraph, which are the same directions as we have here. So as you can see, since this is a letter, you're going to write your name, our class, and the date of submission, and then you're going to have a greeting like, hello, Mrs. Popovich, Professor Popovich. In paragraph 1, you're going to respond to the questions in 4 to 6 sentences. So please pay attention to this. Each paragraph, other than your conclusion, should be 4 to 6 sentences each. So for paragraph 1, what goal did you identify at the beginning of the semester? And have you met your goal now that this course is coming to an end? So we're going to give a brief explanation of that. Paragraph 2, so this is a student question choice, which is the same for paragraph 2, 3, and 4. And I will get to those questions where you can choose the questions from that section where you can choose the question from in a minute. Your conclusion will be 2 to 3 sentences long, where you mention anything else that comes to your mind. And then you're going to add an end greeting of sincerely and then your name. So what are those questions you can choose from? So let's kind of review again what you're going to write about. Paragraph 1, you're going to write in 4 to 6 sentences your answers to the 2 questions, the goal that you identified at the beginning of the semester, and whether or not you have met that goal, and give a brief explanation. Then, for paragraphs 2 and 4, the ones that I mentioned where you will select 3 questions to respond to, here are 8 options from you to choose from. So from these 8 options, you're going to pick 3 questions and write 1 paragraph about each question that you have. And each paragraph should be 4 to 6 sentences each. So this is where you have paragraphs 2, 3, and 4. Now recall that the last paragraph is just a conclusion to the letter, where you're going to write in 2 to 3 sentences anything else that comes to mind, any questions you may have for me, or anything else that you might want to say for me. Now, this letter is due no later than the Wednesday of finals week. If by any chance you need an extension, please don't hesitate to contact me and we will discuss this. As usual, if you have any questions about any aspect of this assignment, please don't hesitate to contact me and I will help you out. Thank you.